Hello, Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Daniel bin Zohar, and today I would like to explain about one sample proportion test. So basically, what is one sample proportion test? The one sample proportion test is used to assess whether a population proportion is significantly different from a hypothesized value. This means that whether the taken sample is correct to display the situation of the whole population. So, before we can move on into solving the question of one sample proportion test, we first need to know the formula of the one sample proportion test. So, what is the formula of one sample proportion test? The formula is that p hat minus mu naught divided by the square root of the product of mu naught multiplied by 1 minus mu naught and divided by n. That is the formula. So, let us now solve the question of one sample proportion test. In this question, CATSOFT sampled 44 customers and asked them to rate the overall quality of software package. Sample data revealed that 35 respondents thought the software was very good or excellent. In the past, this proportion has averaged about 75%. Is there sufficient evidence to conclude that this satisfaction measure has significantly exceeded 75% using a significance level of 0.05? So, in solving the question regarding one sample proportion test, there are three values that we need to know. First is p hat, which is the hypothesized value of the proportion, which is 35 over 44 or 0.795. Mu naught, or the whole average of the proportion, which is 75% or 0.75, and n, the number of respondents in the proportion, which is 44 customers. So, in solving this long formula, I would like to do it stage by stage, so I won't be doing any silly mistakes. So, for the numerator, which is p hat minus mu naught equals p hat minus mu naught. The answer is 0.045. So, for the denominator, as it involves square root function, I will just do it without the square root function and then do the square root function after I'm done doing the denominator. So, mu naught multiplied by 1 minus mu naught and then divided by n. So, the answer is 0.004. So, to square root it, just equal SQ RT and then take the denominator and the square root is 0.065. So, to get the z-score, just divide the numerator and the square root of the denominator and the whole formula will be solved. So, numerator divided by the square root of the denominator and the answer is 0.696. So, to get the critical value, just use the function norm S inverse and the probability is 1 minus the significance level. So, 1 minus 0.05 is 0.95 and the answer is 1.645. So, for the p-value, as the h1 is more than the h null, so this is an upper one-tailed test. So, we need to use equals 1 minus norm S distribution and X is the z-score and the cumulative is true. Don't forget to close your bracket and sometimes Excel cannot understand the function. So, if this happen, just format your cells into 3 decimal places. So, the answer will be 0.243. So, what is the conclusion that can be derived from these numbers? So, as the z-score is lower than the critical value. So we fail to reject H null. So another conclusion that can be made is made by using the p-value. So as we can see here, the p-value is 0.243, which is higher than the significance level of 0.05. So we can say that as the p-value is higher than 0.05, then we fail to reject H null. So as completion of this video, I hope that you guys understand more about one simple proportion test, and I hope to see you guys again. Thank you.